Good morning, everyone. If you want to start your day with healthy and simple food, this video is perfect for you. Many people skip breakfast or eat unhealthy food in the morning, which causes low energy and tiredness. Today, I will show you 5 healthy breakfast recipes that are easy, tasty, and perfect for everyday life. Our first breakfast is avocado toast with egg. This is a very popular breakfast in the United States. Avocado contains healthy fats that are good for your heart and help you feel full. For this recipe, you only need whole grain bread, 1 ripe avocado, and 1 egg. These ingredients are simple and easy to find. Mash the avocado gently and spread it on toasted bread. You don't need any butter or extra oil here. Now add a cooked egg on top. Eggs are a great source of protein and keep you energized for hours. This breakfast is perfect if you want something quick, healthy, and filling. Our second breakfast is a Greek yogurt bowl. This is light, refreshing, and very good for digestion. You need Greek yogurt, fresh fruits like strawberries and blueberries, and a little honey. Fruits add natural sweetness and important vitamins to your breakfast. Chia seeds are optional, but they add fiber and help keep your stomach healthy. This breakfast is perfect if you don't like heavy food in the morning. The third breakfast is a healthy veggie omelet. Eggs are one of the best breakfast foods for protein. Adding vegetables gives your body vitamins, minerals, and freshness. Cook the omelet slowly on low heat to keep it soft and fluffy. This breakfast helps build muscle and keeps hunger away. It's a great option for weight control and energy. Oatmeal is one of the healthiest breakfasts in the world. Banana adds natural sweetness, and peanut butter adds healthy fats. This breakfast keeps you full for a long time. It's perfect for busy mornings. A green smoothie is great when you don't have time to cook. Fruits and greens give your body vitamins and freshness. This is a quick and healthy morning drink. These were 5 healthy breakfast recipes. Let me know which one you liked and don't forget to subscribe.